Welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this super quick and easy brunch date makeup look. So without any further delay, let's just get right into the video. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do let us know what you think about it in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, all you need to do is join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.